Today we'll be using liquid fuel or kerosene to make Firestarter. Let's get started. Okay, so you need liquid fire or liquid fuel or kerosene. Any type of liquid fuel should work. You need empty juice box like this one here, the coconut water drink. It doesn't matter what type, as long as the inside is sealed, doesn't leak. And then you also need a torch wick, usually used for torch, for lighting torch outdoor. So these three is what you need. Let's put it together. Okay, so we'll grab the empty juice box, open it up, pour the liquid fuel in there, put about 30 to 50 mils or 1/3, fill up the container to about 1/3, and then what we'll do is we will put the wick inside like that, and then pour a little bit of liquid fuel on top of that to soak it, and then we'll bend it, like seal it up. See, you can see there's about 30 to 50 mils of liquid fuel in there, and bent the top, and so the wick sticks out, and that's all there is to it. Ready to burn it up. Okay, so we're ready to light it up. There we go. Pretty cool, right? So as long as you have a liquid fuel like kerosene, and you have an empty juice bottle, and as well as a wick, you're ready to go. Now this thing is not as good as my wax Firestarter, but it's pretty good. It lasts about 10 minutes. Now you're ready to put in the fire log, and you should be able to burn that up. Okay, so if in case in emergency you don't have a Firestarter, that's what you want to do. As you can see, it's burning quite well. It should last for about 10 minutes, depending on how much liquid fuel is in that container. But yeah, look at that, very high flame, hot, very hot, you can see. So enjoy. Thanks for watching EducateTube.com.